I've noticed recently that QR codes seem to be making a little bit of a comeback, and today's tip is just showing you a nice, quick, easy way of generating those within InDesign without having to go anywhere else. If I go in here and just create a nice rectangle frame, I'm going to hold the Shift key there and make it into a square, so I'll get a nice square shape in there. And what I want to do is pop a QR code in there, and to do that, simply get the black arrow, select it, and in the Objects menu, you'll see roughly halfway down there is a Generate QR Code option there. So I can go into Generate QR Code. I can choose the type of QR code I want, so that could be a web hyperlink, which is probably the most common one, but you could also do a link to trigger a new email, for example, or business card link. I'll go in there for web hyperlink, and I can then type in the URL, fully qualified domain name, so put in the HTTPS, etc. URL of the page I want. That could be a URL to a page within the site if you wanted to as well. So if I wanted to go to our InDesign training page, I can go in there and put /InDesign -training. So that takes you straight through to the InDesign training page on our site. And I can also, if I want to, change the colour of this. Now, at the moment, by default, it's black, and I might decide that I want this going out in a kind of a dark blue colour. Click OK, and it will then generate the QR code. And those QR codes actually now are picked up by cameras on things like iPhones, and you literally just have to point your camera at it, and it will automatically ask if you'd like to open the web page. So the days when you had to kind of install a third-party app to make it work have now gone. Certainly on the iPhone that I use, it has, and you can just do it straight from the camera. So hopefully that's some help.